Want to make your photos pop? Let's use Befunky's Image Enhancer tool. First, open the Befunky app or website and upload your image. In the editor, go to the Enhance tab located on the left-hand toolbar. Click or tap on the Image Enhancer tool to activate it. This tool will automatically adjust the brightness, contrast, sharpness, and colors to give your photo an instant boost. You can also fine-tune the enhancement by using the sliders for exposure, contrast, and other settings. Befunky makes it easy to adjust the labels until your photo looks just right. Once satisfied, tap or click Apply to save the changes. You can always undo any changes by tapping the undo button in the toolbar if you don't like the result. Have you tried the image enhancer yet? Tell me how it worked for you. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.